and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave a mix of the expected and the unexpected. For today's episode, I'm going to be making a few changes. Anyway, today, I'm going to be doing a meat thermometer. You remember back in season 4 where I did a regular thermometer? Well, I saw one of these done before and it didn't do much, but it did get pretty hot. I think the interesting thing is seeing how high the temperatures can rise in these things. And I'm going to be doing it in Jenny, the GE dual wave microwave. Alright, I'm going to open her up. Place this in like so. Shut the door. And how long should I set it for? I'm thinking 2:01. I don't know why, it just sounds like a good time for me. Now to turn off the lights for dramatic effect. Alright, that's done. Let's examine the post product. And it warmed up. Yeah, that thing definitely warmed up. Take it out to examine it better. You remember it was over here, and in 2 minutes it warmed up to here. And it's cooling pretty quickly, going slowly back to the default, but it shows you how much a microwave can warm stuff up, even things that normally don't conduct heat as well as water in a microwave. It's going back to its default, which is around here, but it was up here for a while. I thought that was a pretty interesting experiment. It wasn't really exciting or flashy, but it was interesting in a scientific kind of way. Now, do I recommend you do this? I really don't know. I'm not entirely sure that it's safe because I don't know if this could have blown up or something, but it seemed pretty safe, and I don't know, it came out with some pretty cool results, but I'm gonna have to declare this a push.